All right, so this is a really unique laser story, guys. Rhonda and I have known each other for quite some time. She's a nurse. I've treated her and her entire family, and she came in for shoulder pain about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and she had mentioned that she was having chronic COVID symptoms, and she had COVID in May, and she was having difficulty breathing, and she had tried steroids and medications and all these things and inhalers, but she was still really struggling. I told her about our successes with the use of our laser for acute COVID, and thought of the idea perhaps of trying it for chronic as well. So why don't you tell your story?
So about when I came to see you, I was very short of breath, 3 inhalers, a 3rd round of steroids, and some other allergy medications. Within the 2nd treatment, I was on no medications.
So the 2nd laser treatment.
So
you tried
treatment,
all that stuff,
all
nothing
that
was
stuff,
working.
yeah. And so the 1st laser treatment, like, yeah, okay, we'll see how it goes. 2nd laser treatment, like, wow, I'm not short of breath. I can walk, I can talk and have a conversation with people. And it just dramatically made me better. And I actually think that my lungs are better now, even from pre-COVID, because I was having some asthma symptoms. But 3, 4 weeks ago, I couldn't sit and talk without coughing and wheezing and being very, very short of breath.
Yeah, it really is remarkable. I mean, you literally could barely talk to me. I mean, you were short, you could, you know.
I'm coughing and on the phone, and people, and I'm like, I don't have COVID now. So, people look at you funny when you cough. And I really went in there like, I have nothing left to lose at this point in time. I so wish I could have done this months before, because it was just so draining to not be able to walk and talk and breathe.
Yeah,
so I'm very grateful for the treatment.
No, we're so thrilled that we thought of this together. And the patients that have these chronic long hauler symptoms, they're more and more every day now. There was just an episode on ABC News last night talking about it. So I think there's a real potential role here for using the laser for patients that have chronic pulmonary disease, especially for patients that have chronic COVID. So we're thrilled to offer it, and anyone that understands or knows people that have this, we're more than happy to be able to bring them on in and make it a trial and see if we can't get them to get as well as Rhonda has done.
I highly recommend it. I highly believe in it, and I wish I could have done it months ago.
All right, peace out, everyone. #FollowTheFro, laser for all.